This is Tristan from World English School. I'm excited because of these birds. I'm gonna not read, but do this puzzle here with animals on it. And it's got a rooster. That's the closest thing I can find to these birds over here. We've got some large mute swans, and then some other species of, I think, goose, if I'm not mistaken. That type right there that's dunking its head in the water. And these are big birds. So let's take a look at this puzzle. Are you familiar with farmyard things? We've got here a barn. We've got a tractor, tree, looks like an apple tree. Half yellow, half red apples. Interesting. And there's a bird up there too. We've got ourselves a horse with yellow or blonde hair, a rooster, it's a male chicken, a pig, a sheep, jumping over a bucket, and a scarecrow. And finally, a cow. So I just want to introduce that to you. I like this puzzle. This is made by Goki, which I think is a Japanese company. And yeah, I like to have an item to introduce to you, or a book. So let's why don't we take our rooster with us? I'll take this guy with us, and maybe he can help us to meet these animals over here. So let's walk over here and see what we can do. Let's see if these guys treat us well. These ones kind of scare me here. These big geese here. Those white ones, they're mute swans. They're a bit nicer. Look at this guy. He's washing himself. You see that? Can I zoom in for you? There you go. Look at that. Okay. You want to meet our rooster friend? Here you go. Hello. 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 Can I wash with you? Let's go over and see these guys here. Hello. Hello. These birds have no idea that they're meeting a rooster. I don't know if they've ever seen a rooster. Hello, hello. I wonder what I look like outside the camera. Look at that guy. He's big. Man, these are big birds, aren't they? He's bringing that rooster again. Hello. Where are you going? Where are you going? Come back. Come back. Oh, and look, over here. This guy can't get through the fence. I'll help you. Lift the chain. Lift the chain. He's trying to lift up the chain. Oh, and look, there's some smaller birds over here. Do you see these guys? Let's say hello with our rooster. Hello. Hello. Well, I had fun. I hope you did too. This is a nice place. I came far to the north today to do this puzzle with you and to take a little break. So, yeah, boy, it's pretty. This guy's still trying to open the fence. And there's a garden over there. It's called Swan Garden. And there's a highway right there. It's a mixture of all sorts of things. And look at these guys. Let's walk over one more time. And you know what? This lady, you can't see her because I don't want to put her on film. Now here she goes. Okay, I can show her. She's sitting with her back toward us. She was real close to that swan over there. There's a swan right there. She's within just a couple of meters. Oh, look at this guy. Here, let me follow you. Oh, they made it through over here. Nice. I wish I brought some other animals too. Wow, this guy's going for it. Happy little geese, huh? Or are they ducks? Maybe they're big ducks. If they are ducks, they sure are big. Does anybody know what kind of duck that is? Wow, he's cleaning himself, isn't he? Taking a bath. Look at how the water falls off of him. Isn't that interesting? He's got some kind of oil in the feathers, perhaps. Wow, I'd like to see this. Very peaceful. Oof. Some other birds are coming into the picture here. They're all kind of interested, aren't they? Let's bring our rooster in. I don't know why I like it, but it's funny. Look at this. Hello. Hello. Oh, look at that. Wow. Wow. Whoa. 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 Wow. What's going on over here? Oh, they're having a little fun, aren't they? Oh my goodness. Hi guys. Look at how close this guy is to me. Hi guy. Let's say hello to our chicken. Hello. Hello. Oh, he's gonna think it's food, isn't he? I'm not food. I'm not food. Wow, these guys are going crazy. They're coming back to land now. Hi guys. Wow. I like these animals. It's washing time, huh? At the end of the day. Washing time for you. I think these are ducks. Some kind of duck. They look more like ducks than they do like geese. And this guy's loud over here, isn't he? Listen to him. Woo! Woo! What are you so loud for? Oh, we got some other ducks over here. Look. Over there, there's some regular ducks. Mallard ducks, I think. Then we got another little bird flying over here. Look at that little guy, see? Then we got this guy, too. Hello. Man, this is great. All these birds. Hey, we got some other birds out, too. I don't know what species that is. It's a coot or something, perhaps? What are you doing over here, guy? You're flapping your wings. Holy moly. And he's going crazy. What you doing, man? What you doing? Hey, calm down. 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 Hello, calm down. Oh, and we got this guy flapping his wings. Oh. All this action, huh? Wow. Bath time. Hi. 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 Hey. Hey. Bath time for the ducks. Or are they geese? What's up, buddy? You coming toward me? What's up? What's up? Hey. Hey. Hi. 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 Happy birds? I think they're happy anyway. Say goodbye to our rooster. Should we walk back up together? Let's walk back up. Say goodbye. Bye. Waving goodbye. Wow, nice wings. Oh, oh, coming back again. Hi, 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 hi. What's up, dude? What you want? Oh, flapping your wings again. Yeah? Ready to go in? Hope you don't chase me. Don't get me. Don't get me. Don't get me. Alright, guys. I think I'm going to leave it at that. I'm just enjoying watching these birds now. Relaxing a little bit. Get one more look at these mute swans. I do love birds, especially these larger ones. Beautiful animals. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Let's go back and take one more look at our little puzzle here. We're walking on a nice boardwalk here. And we're going to put our rooster back. Here we go. Here we are. Put rooster back. And that was our Goki puzzle, farmyard animals. That was one of the longest farmyard stories I've ever told about a puzzle. Some ducks flying, and look. Woo! There's another one over there. Look at that old building in front of us too. Look at that thing. Cool. Alright guys, thanks for watching. See you again. Bye-bye.